Welcome to GTech. Today we are going to see about equivalent fraction. So here I have illustrated one diagram. So this diagram has a strawberry, right? So in the entire portion of strawberry, that is, we can take it as one plate of strawberries, right? So I have segregated it into two portions. So I had subdivided it with a line, so as to show that one portion of this plate, so it has been divided into two, so I can rename it in fraction as 1 by 2, right? 2 out of 1. Here similarly 4 portion is divided, and out of that only 2 is enabled, so 2 out of 4, right? Here I divided into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 portion. Out of 8 portion, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is enabled. So out of 8 portion, only 4 is enabled. So in fraction, we can tell it as 4 by 8. So both are equal or not? That's the question. So we are going to see about equivalent fraction now. So if this is 1 by 2, this is 2 by 4, it is 4 by 8. These are equivalent or not? So 1 by 2 is going to get multiplied by 2, so that you are getting 2 by 4. So 2 by 4 is going to get multiplied by 2, so you are getting 4 by 8. So this ratio is equals to this ratio, and this equals to this ratio. So it is equivalent fraction. It is going to get multiplied by the same number 2, right? We'll see another one example. So this is 1 by 2. So out of 2 portion, 1 is enabled. So out of 2, it is 1. So it is 1 by 2, right? In such a way, out of 4, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 2 is enabled. So it is 2 by 4, right? And what I did is I had taken the same plate of strawberries, but I had segregated it into two parts. Furthermore, I am segregating it into two parts. I am getting it. Only the quantity is same, but the portions are getting splitted equally. That's why it is equivalent fraction, right? In a similar way, we will see same amount, different numbers, right? So same plate of strawberries with different partitions. So 8 partitions, right? 8 portion are splitted, but 4 are enabled. So out of 8, 4 are enabled. So out of 8, it is 4. So 4 by 8, right? So that is equivalent fraction. Since the quantity is same and the numbers are different, and it has been multiplied with the same numbers. So see the trick behind it. As I told earlier, 2 is going to get multiplied by 2, so that you have received 4 over here. Here 1 is going to get multiplied by 2, so you have got 2 over here. In such a way, this 2 is going to get multiplied by 2, so as to get your 4 over here. This 4 is going to get multiplied by 2, and you will be getting 8 over here, right? So same 2 is going to get multiplied by 4. You can imagine by this way also. So 2 into 2, right? From here it is 2 to 2. By going this side towards backwards, it is going to get divided by 2. In a decreasing order, it is division. In an increasing order, it is multiplication, right? But the amount is same. Let's see one example. 3 by 5 is equals to, I have given only the denominator 15. So 5 is going to get multiplied by 3, so as to get 15. So Similarly, 3 has to get multiplied by 3 so as to get the numerator, right? So the numerator is 9, right? So 4 by 7 is equals to numerator divided by 35. So 7 is going to get multiplied by 5 so as to get 35. So similarly, this 5 will get multiplied over here in the numerator. So 4 into 5 is 20. So these are the basics of equivalent fraction. And I hope you understand it. Thank you.